Hey everyone, welcome back to the Problem Aid. If you're new here, my name is Joram, and on this channel, we take responsibility to tackle all technical issues and tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you keep in touch with the aiding community. Today I'm going to help you on how to aid the problem of this app is not compatible with your device. Just keep on until the end. So let me open Play Store. I'm gonna search for the app which may have the same problem as yours. For this issue, Photoroom AI photo editor has a problem because it says this app may not work for my device. That means the application is not compatible with my device, as you see right now. So we are gonna tap on the Gmail icon at the upper right. So we are gonna tap settings, then tap about. Then scroll up to where you see update Play Store. Then tap that. So for this issue, Google Play Store is up to date for mine. Yours might not be, so first update yours. For solution 2, I'm gonna long press Play Store icon. Then I'm gonna tap App Info. Then scroll to where you see storage and tap it. Then we are gonna clear cache. Then go back. We are gonna need to force stop this application, then press force stop, then come back to where you see storage, then clear the data, press OK. Let's make sure our phone is up to date. Go to settings app and tap it. Scroll down to where you see system update. Tap system updates, then tap download and install. The phone will be checking for updates. Just give it in about 30 seconds. After that, my software is up to date. If yours is not, first update it before you go to the magic tip. So for this last magic tip, make sure you know which Android version or iOS version is your phone. If you don't know, let me first take you through how to find out which version is your phone. So let's go to the settings app. Scroll down to where you see about phone. Then scroll to where you see software information and tap that. So as you see, my Android version is 9. So go to your browser app, Google or Chrome, download a third-party app called Happy Mode app. Press on the first one. Press download. So for this third-party app you are downloading, it basically helps you to download apps which are not on Play Store or apps which are modded. What do I mean by modded apps? These are applications whose premium features have been unlocked and ads removed without you paying for them. After downloading that application, just go and open it. So let's search for the application which was currently denied on Play Store. As I had told you, Photoroom AI was not compatible with my device. So as you see within this app, the application is there and it is already unlocked. So right now I have to look for the version which may favor my phone. So I'll place more versions because by this phone I'm using, it is Android version 9. So I have to look for the application which may suit this phone. So if you don't find out the application of your version, you should pick the one which is next to yours by 2. So let me assume it's 5. You should pick 4 or 3 or 6 or 7. It should not exceed those 2 digits. So this is the version I've been looking for, 5.1.9. The last 2 digits represent the bug fix version, so you should consider the last 2 digits. So press download. Let's start a download. Then press continue. So they will bring you an ad, and after watching it, you will only need to press install and the application will display in your application area. I think one of the 4 solutions has helped out for you. So consider subscribing and press the thumbs up as the reward of this video.